welcome back to Ash's Treasure. If you like what you see so far, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and give us a thumbs up. Today we're making honey rolls, and this is sort of our own recipe, and I'm going to give you all the ingredients, and it'll be in a two-part video because the way my phone is, I'll do one part now, and then when we bake it and they bring it out, we'll show you what this finished product looks like. We start off, you put a cup of warm water. I start with hot because this thing is always cold, and by the time I put everything in there, it's warm. So it's 1 cup of warm water, 1/4 of a cup of butter,
What kind of butter?
and here we used Earth Balance original vegan butter because my granddaughter has a dairy allergy. I have the egg allergy, and my daughter-in-law has the coconut allergy. But Earth Balance is not promoting this video or anything. I just like to show you what butter we use. Then we use 1/3 cup of honey. All that in there. A 1/3 cup of sugar. It's 3½ cups of flour, and it's bread flour, and we use the Gold Medal, but you can use any brand. We just found that works best for us. And it's 2 1/4 teaspoons of bread machine yeast. And I found a little trick. If I move the flour around a little bit, get it on my spoon, my yeast doesn't stick to the spoon as bad. And then 1/4 teaspoon, and we're done. And this is my bread machine. It is a Hamilton Beach. Again, it is not sponsored. It's not sponsoring this video. This is the brand I got for Christmas, for my birthday last year. I won't say how old I am, but it is really nice. It has a basic French, gluten-free, quick, sweet, 1½ pound express, 2 pound express, dough, jam, cake, whole grain, and bake. So you can do a lot of stuff. And then you can have your loaf size, and if you want crust, whatever. But today we're doing the dough. So we'll put it on number 8. 8 is 1 hour and a half. After 1 hour and a half, I'll pull it out and put it in the dough size, or we'll make bread sticks this time. Let it rise 30 to 40 minutes. Then we bake it at 350 for 12 to 15 minutes. Depends on how dark we want it. Then we'll brush garlic butter on it, and then we serve. It's really yummy. So, in my second video, we'll show you after we bake and everything and put all the